Hey guys, hope you all have been well. Welcome back to my channel. I felt like doing a chic yet grungy smoky eye. I don't have grays in my collection anymore, so I used very cool tone browns in addition to a black shade, and I used the Soft Glam palette. I think the last time that I used this, I did a makeup look that at the time I felt like no one did using the palette, and I wanted to go along with the same theme and to use three dark colors together that you would normally use as like an outer corner color. So I did use these bottom three shades. Those are the only ones that I used for this eye look. So if you are interested in this fall inspired grungy chic smoky eye, I hope you decide to stay tuned because we're gonna get straight into the tutorial. Alright guys, that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you have suggestions for future tutorials, please leave them in the comments down below and I will be sure to write them down in my ideas book. If you enjoyed the tutorial and have not done so already, I hope you decide to click on the red subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. Like with all my other tutorials, a full list of products will be listed down below as well as on my Instagram. And if you'd like to be updated with future makeup looks along with all the products that I use to put them together, please follow me in the link in the description box below. Till the next video, I hope you all are doing well, taking great care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye guys.